There's your dad. There he is. Hello. Hi. Hi, baby Stripes. He was snoring. I didn't quite catch it. Probably woke up because he heard Lucy come and flop down over here. Oh, sweetheart. Oh, he's coming. Oh, Lordy, coming. Oh, Lordy, coming. He thinks Mama's going to get him some treats. Mama can resist that face. You don't need more treats, boy. Come on and snuggle. That'll be your treat. Snuggling with Mama's a treat. Poor things. Oh, do you have Stockholm Syndrome? Yeah. Poor baby. Stuck inside. While Foxy runs around. Don't worry, you got your dog there barking his head off. Defending your honor. Oh, baby. You'll be okay. If you stay indoors, you'll live another day. Hey, Stripes? Yeah. You like being an indoor cat now. You had enough of that barn cat nonsense, huh? Let's go see what your dog is doing.